Hey, Balt! Hey, Balt! There's a function! What are you talking about? Carl, what are you talking about? There's a function! Ow. What function? There's a function! A function! A literal function! What's your point, Carl? My point is there's a function in town. What kind of function? A funky function. I'm a funky little birdie. Funky little birdie. Is it important? Probably. Let's go see the function. Okay. I hate you, Carl. Why? Because you're just... Never mind. You're really annoying. I'm not annoying. Yeah, you are. Yeah, no, I'm not. No, yeah, you are. No, I'm not. You're very annoying to me, at least. I don't find myself annoying. That's because you know yourself. I'm not annoying. You're my best friend. Admit it. I don't even know why we live together. We just do. That's just how the program works. Not to see the function. No! Function. Functioning sounds. Function sounds. What? We're here. We're at the function. Oh, there's a lot of birds here. Ugh. Huh. Whoa, what was that? Function. Okay, what's this function about? Carl? I don't know.
Hi there. Welcome to the function.
What's the function about?
It's about the function where I do function things.
Yep.
It's about functioning.
Yeah, I believe I can function.
Oh, then you want to find the function What
do you mean?
Function. We're at the function where we function, people. If you function, you can be in a function.
What's it about? Function! Yeah, Carl. What's it about?
It's about functions.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all about functions. Okay, so are you enjoying the functioning room?
It's kind of boring.
Okay, so function oopa.
What's function oopa?
It's where you like the function.
Yep, the function is very interesting and everybody loves this function. There's nothing happening. Everything's happening, Balt! Everything! Carl, this is why I hate you. Okay. Now you love me.
Okay, so the rules of the function. First of all, you have to function to be in the function.
Rule 2. If you like function, then you're free to function. I don't get what this is all about.
It's about functioning.
Even the mailman is here.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, isn't the function nice?
No, it's not very interesting. Function! Carl, why'd you take me here? Because there was a function in town. I thought you'd be interested. Yeah, but turns out I'm not interested. What do you mean you're not interested? It's a function.
How are you enjoying the function? We can just sit here and funk.
There's nothing here.
Well, we do have a lantern.
Where'd that come from?
Lantern store.
Yeah, but that's besides the point. What do we do here? We function. Okay.
Yeah, even I've been functioning recently.
We also have a pan. Get that pan away. I don't care about the pan. What's going on?
We're a function!
Function music! I don't care, Carl! What do you mean it's function music? I don't care, Carl!
Who's Carl?
You.
Oh, how's the function going for you?
Not great.
Oh, what's wrong? It's a function!
Well, it's boring.
No, it's not boring. It's a function.
Carl, can we leave? Why?
We have crackers.
Is that all?
Yeah, pretty much.
So what is it, like a community center hangout spot?
No, it's a function room.
We all love functions here. Hey, it's kind of functiony here, don't you think? Why is everybody talking about the function? Even I like the function. I don't know. So, at the function, what we do is we function. My body is fully functioning, I guess. Then you're great. Golden. Okay. Carl, can we leave? Why? There's nothing interesting here. What do you mean? It's totally fine over here. See, everything's all interesting in this function room. It's not interesting, there's nothing to look at, it's just green carpet and like a wall. Yeah, but if you function, then you're fine. Yeah. Carl, let's go. Hey! No, I like the function! I don't like the function! 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 The function is crazy. Absolutely insane. So many functioning birds.
Yeah, maybe you're starting to understand why the function is so important to us.
No, I do not understand.
Well, I understand.
Stop breathing on me. So, Balt, can I go get a soda? Where? At the convenience store? Anywhere besides here. Well, I really want a soda. Okay.
You're gonna leave us?
Yes, we're going to leave you. Come on, Carl. Call me. I would like to come back.
Why don't they like the function?
I don't know. It's very suspicious. Everybody must like the function.
Yeah, why don't they like the function?
No one knows. We gotta get them to like the function. Like the function.
Like the function, 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 like the function!
Man, I love this function.
Wow, look, we can all function together. Yup, together. Together! Function party! Do 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 do. We can function. Do 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 do. And man, that function was weird. Why? It just was kind of weird. No, it wasn't. That was. Oh, what drink did you get, Void? Is that black? It looks like it's black. It looks completely black. It's Void flavored. Okay. Anyway. I love Void. Where did you get that? Circle K. Oh yeah. What the heck?
Now you don't have to go to the function.
What? Get me out of here! Ha! You're in a box! Take him to the function.
You need to love the function room. Now come on. You're a good function.
What? You guys! Get me out!
No.
You need to like the function, say.
Hey! My orange friend is in the boxy. He is in the boxy indeed.
Let's take it to the function room.
We got some new functionaries.
We got some functions.
Yay! Function! Ooh, cool, new functions. Good point.
You're great at this.
Wow, I love functioners. Function! Function! Get me out of here!
No, not until you live with us in the function room.
Why do you want me to function with you?
It's only on Sundays.
What? I'm actually, hey Balt. What? How is it going in there? Not good.
What are you worrying about functioning?
We love functioneers. Function! So maybe now you understand why you need to be with us in the function room. Room. Function. Get me out!
Why?
Because I don't want to function. Yes, you do. No, I don't. Carl, why are you into this? I don't know. I kind of just go with the flow.
You're a great talker.
Get me out of here! Carl, lift the bag. Lift the box. No. Please, Carl, lift the box. Lift the box so I'm free. Oh. Carl, I will slap you. You can't. It's a function room, a function room, function room. Let's sing the function song. It's a function room, it's a function room, function room. It's a function room. It's a function room, and a function room, function room. I got out. I don't want to see you guys ever again. Wait for me. We lost a function here. Dang it, maybe next time.